It's Steve for Tech. Today we have got the Huawei Y9 2019 edition and a gift from Huawei Y9 2019 edition. So let's just unbox this one and what we have got inside this gift box. Oh, that's good. Some paperwork with some key features of this phone we have got. Pretty cool water bottle. It's of Miniso, yeah. It's a Miniso with a carry and take it aside. And what's inside it? Let's just show you. Oh, it's a pouch-like bag. So we have got a bag. I'll make a full video on it later on. It's a full bag, and it's a ring for the back of this phone. And let's just show you up. Wait, it's a full bag. That's all. Yeah. Let's just take it aside. Oh, we have got a guard on. Okay, that's all. Nothing else. Yes, nothing else. Take it aside. Let's come to the phone. The phone itself comes with a 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. Last year I posted a video on Honor 8X which comes with the 120 gigs of storage, and it's having a 6.5 full HD display of around about 396 pixels. Sorry for the one. I've got it in a midnight black color, and let's just unbox this. And 4000 mAh battery, that's great. Let me just show you. Some warranty cards. That's an iPhone like. So there it is. This is the piece we have got. Oh, it's a 2.5D gloss, like glossy look. Just take it away. This one is the phone. This is the power button, volume rockers, speaker vents, charging port. It's a type C, or let's just take it aside. This is the 3.5mm volume jack and a SIM card ejection tool and dual AI camera, dual lens, and a fingerprint. Fingerprint is quite at a good place. Yeah. Front cams. There are dual camera setup on the front and dual camera setup on the back. SIM card ejection tool. Yeah, a free cover. Again, something is free from Huawei. A plastic silicone case. Let's just show you. A flexible silicone case. And some paperwork. This is the SIM card ejection tool. Let's just show you the SIM card tray. What this SIM card tray looks like. It's in a hybrid one, I think. Dual SIM card setup with a memory card setup also. So you can use two SIM cards at a time and a memory card. That's good. Pretty cool. Oh, sorry. Just take it aside and let's just boot it up. A free protective glass. It's not a gloss, it's just a protective layer. And this is a charger, standard charger, and it's a fast charger, I think. Yeah, this one is a standard USB type. Yeah. So what we have got in, yeah, 3.5 millimeter jack. It's a micro USB, not a USB Type C. We were expecting Type C, a better one, but that's okay with Huawei. No headphones, I think. Yes, no headphones. I believe there should be some headphones also, but no, we have got. Oh, sorry, my man. Sorry. This is the headphones. Not too good. Standard headphones. Oh my god, that's great, but not too much on this price range. These are quite cheap one. So let's just take it aside and let's just show you what's about the phone. Next, skip. More, agree, no problem, skip. No thanks. Finish. Okay. So this is the phone itself we have got. I found that it's a 16 megapixel camera with 2 megapixel on the front, and let's just show you the how much storage we are getting. Yes, out of 64 we are getting 53.24 gigs of storage, and fingerprint and security. Let's just show you how much fingerprint is like. Yeah, so new fingerprint and how much responsive it is. Oh my god, it's way more faster. Okay, so let's just okay, it's faster. Yeah, it's good. So secondly, in terms of camera, let me just show you. Okay, this is the camera we are getting. The modes we are getting is HDR, light painting, pro, air lens. Yeah, air lens, and secondly, portrait mode. Yeah, let me just show you the portrait mode. The portrait mode here is really, let me just capture a screenshot. So basically it just captures the focuses one place, and like here it focuses here and then blurs the extra places you want, and this is the aperture mode. You can use the aperture, and this is the night mode. It just clears the, and that's a video, and you can download them also, and that's all. And health feature, some other cool features, some games we are getting. Let's just show you the sound quality. Yeah, we are getting. Don't make us who we are. So I'll dream until I make it real. This is the sound quality you're getting. Okay, so that's all for today. If you like this video, go subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the like button so that you never miss any video from T for Tech. Hit the bell icon and stay subscribed, and I'll make a full review on this phone. Thanks guys.